goal is not only to educate people about what an interesting place we live in, but most of all, prepare them to matriculate at UTRGV, where they will contribute to adding more knowledge to this for future generations.
This is something that I really like. I'm interested in learning more about the history of South Texas, right? And it's always hard to find information on it. So now that I have more information, I'm more excited because now I know what to say. Like when I'm telling the kids about things to learn and things to discover.
And the Houston Endowment, again, allows us to conduct the research that's necessary for community engagement. It has been a game changer for us, and I take it very seriously in my position as chair that this money is not to enhance just my research and my goals, but to enhance the experience of students and the members of the community, no matter if it is in our own local history or in projects that have impact not just in the valley, but beyond.